Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So, if you are looking for the new job updates, then this video is for you. So, don't miss this opportunity and watch the video till the end. So, let's start. So, currently HCLTech is hiring for the internship. Okay, and it's for the 2023, 2024, and 2025 and 2026 batch. And any graduate can apply for this. Please keep this in mind. And last date of expiration is the 6th of May. So try to apply before that. And here, a standard information you can see, like it's a work from office and a 9 month stipend based internship. Okay, so you will get the stipend as well in the internship. So this is a good opportunity. Responsibilities, like you have to uh, excellent people skills and communication skills you should have. Okay, and versant proctoring and interview processing, scholars connect and assessment process, and you have to participate in events organized by government and other stakeholders. Okay, along with you have to coordinating and informing the candidates on onboarding and scheduling for the. Okay, so please keep this in mind. And location here will be a Chennai or Noida. Eligibility criteria like undergraduate, BA, BSc, BCom, BBA, BTech. These all are eligible. And batch, as already I have updated you, 2023 to 2026 can apply for this internship. So this is a very good opportunity. Those who are looking for the internship, please go and apply for this. Next update is from the Mthree, and it's a mass hiring. Okay, and it's for the 2024 to 2026 batch. Package here is 9.15 LPA. Okay, it's a good package, and it's for the freshers. Here also the same 6th of May is the last date of apply for this job. Okay, so what you need to do here, like you should have the strong programming skills, like anyone, Java, Python, or C or C++. Okay, competitive coding experience will be an added advantage, so please keep this in mind. And you should have the good troubleshooting and debugging skills, and understanding of the formal software development life cycles, and understanding of the test driven development. So please keep this in mind. Okay, and how it works mainly. So here what you have to do mainly, you have to step first is apply for the position. Second will be clear the first round of aptitude and the coding assessment. And then third, clear communication screening. Okay, stage 4 will be like clear technical interview. Stage 5 clear final interview. And then stage 6 you will get the selected to join the training for 6 to 12 weeks. Okay, and stage 7 like clear and training assessment discussion. Stage 8 like get selected for your placement in a job role that most suits your competence. Okay, so these all are the stages. Okay, so please go through this, and this is a very good opportunity. As we already discussed, like package is good. Okay, so next update is from the Amazon, and it's for the Amazon Associate Quality Services Auto Software. Okay, they are looking for this all roles, and it's for the freshers. Last date is same here, 7th of May is the last date. Okay, and here key responsibilities, you have to gain understanding of the application test procedures and how to use the applicable software and tools. You have to execute the test instructions and report test results accurately and promptly, and understand the any changes in test instructions related to their assigned work. Okay, and you have to follow the defined processes to perform the assigned work. And you will require to work on shift timing based on the business requirements. So please keep this in mind before applying, like there is a shift timing. So maybe your timing will be morning, evening, general. So in this way you have to be flexible. Okay, so before applying, please go through all the responsibilities, and if you are good fit for this opportunity, then please apply. So basic qualifications here, like a bachelor degree and the knowledge of QA methodology and the tools. Okay, and preferred qualification like experience with testing consumer devices. So if you have, then it's fine for you. Okay, next update is from the Accenture, and it's hiring for the application support engineer. It's the biggest hiring, and it's the biggest hiring for the freshers. So please keep this in mind. Okay, and here is the last date is the 1st of May. Location is Mumbai. Okay, so key responsibilities here. Let's discuss, right. You have to collaborate with the cross-functional teams to ensure the effective communication and the resolution of issues. You have to participate in problem solving discussions and expected to build the knowledge and support the team. This will be the expectations from you. Okay, and you have to assist in the documentation of issues and solutions to enhance the team knowledge. So these all are the responsibilities. The required skills and qualifications, like you have to be proficiency in infrastructure service management, and good to have skills like experience with cloud service management tools, and if you have the strong understanding of incident management process. Okay, so these all are the required skills. Okay, and you have to be familiar with application monitoring tools and techniques, along with ability to analyze and interpret system logs for troubleshooting. Okay, additional information, like you have the candidates should have the minimum 0 to 2 years of experience in infrastructure service management, and this position is based at our Bangalore office. So please keep this in mind, and a 50 years full time education is required. So these all are the required skills and qualification. And this is also a biggest hiring from the Accenture side. So please go through these all the responsibility and the eligibility criteria, and if you are good fit for this opportunity, then please apply. This is a very good opportunity. So, and I will add all the link in the description, so from there also you can apply directly. So please go through this all, and try to apply as soon as possible. Okay, so that's all for today. If you like this video, so please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.